The borax solution for killing ants. Insecticidal sprays only kill the 1 to 10% of ants in a colony that come in contact with it, according to the Ecology Center. Foraging ants take poisonous borax baits back to the colony where many more consume it and die. Recipes. The University of Nebraska-Lincoln suggests mixing 4 tablespoons peanut butter, 6 tablespoons honey and 3/4 teaspoon boric acid or borax as an ant bait for pavement ants, big-headed ants and little black ants, as they tend to crave protein and grease. For sweet-loving ants, mix 1 teaspoon boric acid or borax with ½ cup honey or corn syrup and heat the mixture until the borax dissolves. Let this cool and then mix it with equal parts water. How it works. Borax, or boric acid, baits work because the poison acts slowly, giving the worker ants time to bring the bait back to the colony where other ants including the queen consume it. Quick-acting poisons only kill the ants that immediately consume it, leaving the colony largely unaffected. Considerations. While borax is considered a less toxic solution than insecticidal sprays by organizations like the Ecology Center, it is still poisonous. Therefore, it must be kept away from children and pets.